Hey guys, thanks so much to everybody who subscribed to my YouTube. I wanted to make some exclusive content just for y'all. Guys, one of the most easiest ways and accessible ways for barbers to start making more revenue is gonna be product sales. Now, initially, those product sales can be just inside your shop. You can just sell those products to your clients. My last client just left. She bought 2 products from me, and that was $35 on top of a $50 haircut. So in one client transaction, that's $85. I'm almost doubling my revenue by selling products as well. With that, you're gonna have to find wholesale accounts with each product. So the thing is, you're gonna have to wanna figure out which products you wanna sell. You don't wanna carry a whole big variety of products because then you're gonna be coming a lot of out of pocket for a wide variety of products. Pick one product that you wanna sell to your clients for each desired style. So if people use gel, you pick your favorite gel to sell to those clients. So for instance, when my client sits down, I say, what hair product do you usually use? They say, oh, I use a pomade. Oh, I use a fiber. Oh, I use gel. So you carry one of those each desired products. So for me personally, and I'm not paid to say this, for me, I get Johnny B for gel. I use cream pomade from Immortal. I use a level 3 styling powder for the fiber look. Also, I'll throw in some Immortal with that and it still gives the same effect. But those are still only my 3 top selling products. It's Johnny B gel, pomade, and that. From there, you offer the upsell at the end of the haircut and tell them, hey, you wanna get this product? I got it for sale here. The second way is to build a website. And on that website, you can put those same products, but instead of just selling to the people who walk in your barbershop or in your chair, you can sell those products online to anybody. You can sell them to your following online on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, anything. The third way that you can generate money is from posting reels on TikTok. TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram are now paying people to be creators and post social media content. You can post TikTok videos or you can post reels on Instagram and Facebook, and they're now paying you to be a creator and create reels and content for their platforms. Another way to generate revenue online is by making sponsored posts for companies or brands. Sometimes when you build your social media following and they say you have good, clean content, they'll start hiring you, whether it starts off low at maybe $50, $100 or free products, but you never know, you can be getting up to $10,000 for one video. So it all just depends. It's all a building process, but every dollar counts. I hope some of this information helped y'all. If you got any more questions, drop them down in the comments, and please like and subscribe, and you'll be getting more gems from Cherry the Goat.